Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and I picked up these chairs off of Craigslist. Drove about 40 minutes to pick them up. The guy gave me I think a good deal. I don't know what a good deal is on these chairs. I don't know how much they paid, how many years they actually had them for, so I do not know if I got like that good of a deal. They don't look rusted, they're cast aluminum, and with the fabric and stuff like that. So the fabric is a little dark. This one looks a little bit newer. This one has like a green kind of tint to it. That's why I put it in the sun to see maybe if you could see the tint. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with, of what it looks like. And then this is the footstool, and there's a stain on here. I don't know if you could see it. There's a stain over here. So we're gonna try to just clean these two. And I'm doing a review on the OxiClean White Revive Safe On Colors. So I'm gonna try this. It says whitening power, which I don't need whitening power because I don't need it to turn white. But anyway, I'm still gonna use it. It says to mix it with really hot water in a spray bottle. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix it with hot water, really hot water in a spray bottle, and then you just add what it says to load in here. See, creating a solution. Pretty much, yeah. So that's all it says on there. And I'm gonna do a review, and we're gonna see how this comes out and see if it'll work for your chairs or whatever, and see if it'll work for you. I am gonna clean the cast aluminum. I'm probably just gonna use Dawn and you know, dish soap and vinegar, because that'll cut the grease and break the acid out. So that should be fine with that. But we're just gonna do the cloth part right now, the fabric. And this is the thing that it comes with. So I'm using, like I said, up to here, and then I'm just gonna fill it up with that. So all right, so we're back. I made the mixture. I used very hot water. This is what I got. A little bit over 20 ounces is in there, and we're gonna try the chair first. I probably should have just put it in a bucket and then just used a brush and brushed it in. That probably would have been easier. I'll do it next time around. This is really just a review of seeing if it works. So this is still gonna soak it, and still you're gonna see a review of seeing how it comes out anyway, so not a big deal. So let me spray this. I'm gonna give it a little scrub with a brush to agitate the fibers, because usually use this stuff in a washing machine, and there, you know, you have the agitator in there, so it, you know, moves everything around. Nothing's agitating this. I'm just spraying it on. So I'm going to use a brush. You shouldn't use a tough brush. You'll ruin the fabric. So I have a little bit of a tough brush. I'm going to do it very softly, just to, you know, move the fibers around, and that's it. Alright, so I gave it a little bit of a scrub, a little bit longer than I wanted to, as you saw. So that's what I'm going to do for all the chairs. I did scrub the aluminum, cast aluminum a little bit, just to see how it comes out, so you guys get a review of it working on the cast aluminum and working on the fabric, so I do a better job for you guys seeing the product. So pretty much, yeah, I put a little bit more on. I'm going to let it soak just 2-3 minutes, because it's sunny. It's like 90 degrees out. I don't want that to dry and cake on. Then what I'm gonna do is get my hose. All right, so the sun went away, so you don't see the same exact color as what it looks like in the sun. But I did scrub them both, and I put the OxiClean on both. This one looks a little poopy. Looks like it smeared the algae. Let's see how it looks when it comes out. And then we'll probably do another video of obviously when it dries, because then you'll be able to see the real, result. All right, so I'm gonna just spray out this one. This is what pretty much, so this was soaking for like 5 minutes so far, and I'm just gonna spray this out. Alright guys, so we're back with the finished product of the OxiClean. It looks dry. So it got out the stain that was in the middle. That's gone. It made the sides lighter. It didn't get the stains out, but it made them lighter. It didn't really do anything to the cast aluminum. I mean, maybe it looks a shade brighter than I can't really tell. I don't know. Really doesn't look that much different. This got lighter. It's not really as clean as I thought it was going to be. It got a lot lighter in the middle. That's about it. I mean, I saw some dirt come out, but the OxiClean, I guess, does not work on algae or, you know, green moss or whatever that is. So if you do have the green stuff, you're going to have to find something a little bit stronger, maybe a stronger brush or a stronger chemical. All right. So that's it for the, like I said, the end of the review on the OxiClean, on using it on your outdoor furniture. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, so I'm out, everyone. Be safe. Enjoy.